The Nightmare, KSI. The following contest is the Royal Rumble match. And from Hollywood, Florida, weighing in at 218 pounds, Dolph Ziggler.
As we get ready to start, Corey, how much does the luck of the draw matter in a match like this?
Well, the good news for these superstars entering early is that unlike traditional Royal Rumble matches, we're only looking at a total of 10 competitors in this one tonight.
From Charlotte, North Carolina, weighing in at 200 pounds, Cedric Alexander.
This is it, guys. Royal Rumble action kicking off here.
I don't think there's a more dramatic match in all of WWE than the Royal Rumble.
The last time I heard San Antonio this loud was when we were last here for the Royal Rumble.
Oh yeah, here's Cedric Alexander. This would be extremely tough to go the distance from here.
It's Jimmy Uso on the way. You better look out now.
He's taking damage to the back of the head that render most men completely immobile. A brutal clothesline catches in the perfect spot.
Entry number 4. Who's it gonna be?
Getting his attention with a vicious strike.
Hideo Itami making a move.
Ziggler may be in trouble here. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
Yeah, but of the guys in the ring right now, he's just as capable as any of winning this thing and going on to WrestleMania.
Perhaps he has dinner plans to get to. I don't know. There has to be some reason for him showing next to no offense here tonight.
Hideo Itami showing us how to get it done.
He's simply reminding him.
Here we go with number 5.
This is going to get interesting, real interesting.
Looks like we might get an elimination, guys. He delivers a hard clothesline.
Oh yeah, here's Cedric Alexander.
And a powerful forearm. And just a sickening thud upon impact. Sending a statement with that elbow.
Whoa, Jimmy Uso's on the attack now. This will be number 6.
And now Dolph Ziggler is pushing forward. Looks like Ty Dillinger has decided to get involved here.
Just making his presence felt there. slams him down with a Samoan drop. He got all that one.
He's simply reminding him that he's here.
And just a hellacious chop.
Here we go again. And the strike connects.
And a powerful forearm. Did you hear that? What impact!
Things not looking good for Hideo Itami, but he's not appearing too worse for wear. At least not yet anyway.
Hey, there's the elimination.
Cedric Alexander has been
Now we see Jimmy Uso.
We're up to 7 already?
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Jimmy Uso. Oh, God. When you hear that music, it sends chills through your body. It's Kane. The big red monster Kane is here. My God, no one is safe. Just toying with the competition a little. We're witnessing a level of punishment that can only be described as severe.
Looks to make an elimination here.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Oh, what a great escape.
We are about to see number 8 now.
And he delivers a spirited elbow. Look who's coming now, guys. And that's elimination right there, guys.
With an exclamation
Hideo
point, no
Itami
less.
has been eliminated.
Ty Dillinger is a force within the ring.
Big miss for him there.
And he'll likely pay for it here.
What's gonna happen now?
Dillinger's terrifying when he's in a groove like this.
Look out, a possible elimination coming up. Looking to cripple him with that neck breaker. Boom! There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing. When Jimmy starts rolling like this, look out below.
Kane showing some expert prowess here.
Ow! That hurt!
Kane making a statement as we speak. Jimmy Uso showing some expert prowess here. What is Jimmy Uso's best strategy at this point? He can't be happy with how this is going right now.
Give him credit, guys. He's not giving up. And with so much on the line, that's
Who could entrant number 9 be?
Could be trouble here, guys. This adds a whole new dimension to this match, guys.
You're absolutely right, Cole.
Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
A move like that is completely unnecessary, unless you want to degrade your opposition, of course.
That could have been disastrous, Byron.
No doubt. In fact, I'm a little surprised we didn't see an elimination there.
Here we go, guys. Elimination coming up. There's the elimination, Corey.
What took him so long?
And the point of time just flies, doesn't it?
Eliminated.
That slam put him in a bad way, guys. Heading to the ring with a purpose.
Boy, that's the truth.
Wow, Jimmy Uso just timed that perfectly.
And gets out of harm's way. There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
Jimmy Uso has been eliminated.
Knocked the breath out with a crushing kick to the gut.
Dodges trouble there.
You got that right, Michael. That had elimination written all over it.
And Kane manages to reverse out of that one.
Whoa, what a chop. And there he goes, back to the headbutt. Flips the script on him there.
Killian Dane's on the attack now.
Nice job getting out of trouble there.
Talk about a great escape.
Oh, man, what a hit.
Knocked right off the apron.
Wow, look how quick. He misses the mark.
He might need glasses, Cole. His eyesight is clearly compromised.
Look at this, Dolph Ziggler doing some good work here. He looks a bit off his game here, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
The Royal Rumble match will absolutely test your resolve, guys, and that's exactly what we're seeing here with him.
This isn't his first rodeo. He had to expect to take on some offense here tonight.
Taken off his feet here.
And it's moves like that that make him so dangerous.
No, he reverses it. That one fails to connect.
Great idea by him. Too bad it was awfully executed, though.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Eye is getting it taken to him, and he could be done very soon.
He's absolutely running on fumes right now.
Like everybody else, he's probably dreamed of main eventing WrestleMania. Given how he looks right now, though, he might just have...
Can you believe it?
Dolph Ziggler has been eliminated.
Oh, he turns it around.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
The end may be near. There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
Kane
And a
has been
powerful
eliminated.
forearm. Nope, reverses it.
He's in a little bit of trouble now. He doesn't want to let this match get out of control, guys.
I'm shocked he's even still in there, guys. Given the punishment he's taken, I figured somebody would have eliminated him by now.
A very crucial part in the match for him here. He simply cannot let his opponent gain too much momentum.
Looks like he's starting to tire. And at this point, how much more does he have to give?
At this point, I wouldn't be surprised to see him get picked off here soon. He's just not looking very good right now.
Man, he was making it look easy there for a moment, which is pretty impressive considering who he's in the ring with.
The Royal Rumble is one of the prized events in the WWE crown, and with good reason. 10 superstars, 1 winner.
He lands a piercing chop.
He is a one-man gang in there.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
And Byron, you never want to find yourself in a spot like this.
Especially in a Royal Rumble match, Michael.
What a great escape.
Wow, I cannot believe it, Michael.
He kicks him right in the gut. He lands a jarring forearm. And he just found out that's not the place you want to be. Man, that got him good. He landed a perfectly placed strike. That'll send a message to your adversary, all right. Counters that one. Made him pay there. Reverses that one. He lands a jarring forearm. Got the reversal. Oh no, a counter. Man, not any give when you catch an elbow like that. This could be all she wrote. There's the elimination, Byron.
That was amazing.
Rich Swann
Oh, he
has
got
been
him. Let's look at this
eliminated.
again.
This is going to frustrate Killian Dane.
Here it comes. He's got him.
Oh no, we know what this is.
And he lands the slam.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.